Turn your pool into the ultimate target challenge. No screens, just splash, laughs, and bullseyes. Looking for a way to get everyone off their phones and into the pool? This is it. Look how fun the back and the front of this Target pool float is. This cute little penguin toy inflatable dartboard turns any backyard or beach day into a high-energy game that everyone can play. Kids, teens, and even adults. Now look how fun this is. You just gather the balls, toss and stick, and score. It's safe, competitive, and ridiculously fun. Perfect for pool parties, family time, or summer boredom busters. Trust me, once this comes out, everyone wants to get into the water. Just can't stop playing. And it makes for good competition, a little healthy fun, a little exercise along the way. Watch your pool turn into the center of attention as kids compete. See, this is how it comes in this great box here. It makes a great gift. Sure to put everyone into the pool and having fun. It even comes with its own pump and a patch in case it gets poked. This was provided for me for my honest opinion, and I love it. My family's going to love it all summer long. I highly recommend it.